So today I am going to make fufu for the first time. It's an African dish, but I'm a Jamaican. So I am going to do fufu, and how I get to want to do fufu is because I saw dancehall Queen Spice tried it a couple weeks ago. I've been watching like Cora Obidi. She's an African and she always eating it, and I used to say, what is that she's eating? But then I saw Spice eat it and she was saying it's named fufu. So I went on YouTube and I look up fufu, and I said I'm gonna try it just to see what it tastes like. So this is my first time having it, and I am the one who's gonna make it. So I'm gonna just put my own twist to it, and you will see what I do at the end of it. Let me know in the comment section how did I did, and if you ever try fufu, let me know if you tried it and how it tastes. Please remember to hit that like button, guys. Okay, and thank you guys so much for keep supporting me. So come on into the kitchen with me to do the famous African dish fufu. So guys, as I said before, and I'm saying again and again, the reason why I'm trying this fufu is because I saw Spice eating it. I saw Cora Obidi eat it, and I did not know what it was. And when I see Spice eat it and the fun that was around it, I said, I have to try it. Let me try it. So I went on YouTube and I saw a video, and I decided to like follow their, what they did, which they use cassava and plantain. But I don't have any plantain right now at home, so I'm going to use banana. So this is the cassava that I'm peeling. 2 head of cassava. I peel it, take out that long strip, the middle piece. I remove that, cut it up small because I'm going to blend it. So that's the strip that came from the middle. So I'm peeling the next cassava. It's starting to go bad because I bought them like 3 days ago. Right, so that's how I peel my cassava, and I am going to cut it up real small. So I'm going to wash them and put them to soak for about an hour. So I could get out some of the starch. All right, I'm going to peel the banana as well. Guys, you already know how to peel banana. But a lot of people want to see. So I use three fingers of banana. A lot of people want to see step by step because I have got complaint that I cut out too much of the video and things just disappear and remove in my video. But I have to do that because the video is going to be like for 2 hours. All right, so I'm cutting up the banana, and then when it finished soak, I want to definitely soak out some of the starch from the cassava. Yeah, so I soak it for like an hour, but a lot of it is missing, guys. Yes, a lot of the video is missing. So I soak it for about an hour, and then I'm going to straw off that water and then wash it again and put it in the blender with a cup of water. So I was blending half and half at once, and then I'm just going to add everything in this blender with 1 cup of water. So that's what it looks like. It's not fully blended yet because you want it to be as smooth as possible. So I have to leave it in the blender to make sure that it's really refined. So I leave it in the blender for maybe like 2.5 to 3 minutes. I stopped it and then started again to make sure that everything is smooth. I'm going to put it back to blend for another minute. So as you can see, I use banana instead of plantain because they solve the same purpose, right? And now I'm adding some turmeric to mine, which I did not see anyone did because I like to cook with my turmeric. So I'm just going to mix this in and make sure that it dissolves. Just want to see the color before, but it really hasn't changed much. So I'm adding a little bit more. Okay, so the pot is a little bit warm, not hot. And now I'm going to pour everything in. And this is the trick to it. You just got to keep stir. Yes. And this reminds me of when I'm making porridge. Because you can't make the porridge get lumpy. So you got to keep stir it when you put the cornmeal or whatever you're using to make the porridge. You have to keep stir it. So the fire is on low. And you just got to keep, because once it's lumpy, yeah, it's gonna hard to get it out. So you see, it's getting a little bit of lump here and there, but it's gonna come right out eventually. As long as you keep stir, yeah. You see the lump? There's a few lump in it, but when I'm done, you're not gonna see nothing. You just gotta keep stir. So I try to keep the fire on low because if it rush, then it's gonna, it's gonna get lumpy real fast. So you have to able to control it. So it's coming down to the texture. So I just cover it up and let it stay there on low. And that's what it looks like when I go back. But remember, you're not seeing everything, so you have to keep stir it until it find the right texture and it won't get lumpy again. You keep it on low, you cover it up, and you let it cook naturally. Look at that, guys. Knowing that I'm making this for the first time, I'm not hard to learn. I just watch a video like for 6 minutes and I'm like, but it's just like how when I'm making porridge. That is it. You just got to keep stir it even harder to get it to that. If you reach this far in the video, please remember to hit that like button. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and let me know if you ever try fufu. So the reason for this, the video that I watched, they said for it not to have a crust on top, it's good to wrap it in the plastic to keep it moist. Big up to Africa. This definitely look like when I am having porridge because I love when my porridge is thick. Yes, I like my porridge like this, thick. So it's amazing. Like we do things similar and call it different names. Guys, put up your hand if you enjoy this video. Raise your hand so I know that you enjoy my video. And I cook this with chicken foot. And you're going to see me at the end of the video enjoying my fufu with my chicken foot. Okay, I'm wrapping this up right now and I'm just going to leave them. It's time to dish me a plate of chicken foot and go enjoy this fufu nice and hot. Okay, so it's time to try this fufu. Wash my hands very clean and clean my nails and dry them to make sure that you're putting your hands in your mouth. Alright, let's see how this fufu looks. Alright, so see spice. I saw spice with this fufu and I saw kora obidi. So here is it. This is my fufu. Yeah, it looked like caramel pop. It's maybe because I put the turmeric in it. Yeah. Alright, so I was told that this fufu must not chew. It's something that, see? I don't know if it's a little bit too thick. Oh my god. I don't chew it, guys. Watch me now. Let me hold up my dish. Let me hold up my plate. And you must use your hands. So look. I did it. Mmm. Oh my god. You see? I swallow. Mika! Come here. So when Mrs. Spice I eat the fufu, right? See? And so she did not chew it, but it mustn't chew. See? Mmm. It disappear in your mouth. What's that a be? What cook fufu? Mmm. Mm-hmm. With the gravy? Oh yeah. But the way I see. Mmm. Now I'm gonna start cook fufu. Mmm. Boy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oi. Not that thing. Me there I eat fufu. Fufu? You eat fufu? You too lie. Last week, you come over here and offer your soup and you say you just don't eat some. And now me just make me fufu and you gotta tell me say you just don't eat some. But wait there. Cassava. Me say me eat it. What you eat it with? Oh, yam they use. Oh. Me I gotta start eat it. Yeah. It is. Mm-hmm. Me not have a matter, me use both spoon. California. Me have matter. I have one little matter in here, but we don't use it for that because you have to mix it when it a cook. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh yeah? You beat it in there? Mmm. Mm-hmm. So good, man. We're gonna put the salt in a mine. Because salt in the gravy, our chicken food, no cook it with. Time to get down in my fufu. Mmm. Mmm. Something like doing? You think Max hear me? You think Max hear me? You hear me? Oh. A fufu time. What fufu? What fufu? You want none of that? Eh? We just started here a while ago. He said he just don't eat fufu. He say bite all the time.